Hey, Corey Allen, Moss Street Gallery. So today we're going to talk about these guys right here, art brushes. We're going to talk about two things when it comes to art brushes. Number one, how much money do you want to spend on these brushes? What kind you're going to get and what price range. Number two is how to properly clean art brushes so that will last and we won't ruin them or destroy them. So let's talk about how much money you should spend on art brushes. Rule number one, do not buy cheap brushes. You will regret it if you do. Trust me, I've done it before. You see these packages of brushes that like come in a pack where you can get a whole bunch. You think, oh man, that's a great deal. You'll regret it. They won't last for one thing, and they'll make painting a headache. You'll leave bristles all over your canvas when you paint. They just fall apart. There's bristles in the paint as you use it. Don't do it. You don't have to spend a large amount of money either, like you gotta get the best ones. Get a middle range brush, like a Princeton or a Roombacher. I use these all the time, and they seem to last. So the second thing, speaking of making them last, how to clean them. Well, there's all kinds of thoughts on this, but I'll just tell you what I do. First of all, you want to have a good cleaning solvent, and I use this as a thinner as well. It's Mona Lisa. There's all kinds out there you can use. And you want a good towel, and you use that and you kind of clean with the towel. Get as much paint off as you can. You go through a lot of towels too when you're cleaning your brushes. And then I use Dawn dish soap. I get a little bit of Dawn soap with water in a cup. And here's the trick. I learned a long time ago. I was in an art store, and one of the people working there said, "Oh, if you soak your brushes overnight, it'll really help clean them." Well, I had bought some really nice French Isabey brushes, and I listened to her, and it ruined the brushes. Do not let your brushes soak overnight. What happens is the tips right here where the metal meets the wood, after a while it just pops right off. So one night of soaking those nice brushes and they were completely ruined, so don't do that. You can let them soak though for about 30 minutes, I would say tops, and just clean them, and when they come out, dry them out real good, use some more towels and get all the paint off. And Dawn dish soap seems to do the trick after about 30 minutes. So check those out, and please subscribe because the next series in this playlist is going to be about paint.